nasty market. I'm here with Jim Cramer on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, perhaps playing a little defense. Jim, you added American Electric Power to Action Alerts Plus. Tell me the reasoning behind that.
All right, first of all, I want everyone to go and watch our conference that we did, Jack and I. It's really important because we were very, very bearish. We have our highest cash position that we've had in a very, very long time. And that was augmented yesterday when we said we would sell our big exposure in oil. We're now dramatically underweighted in oil, about half, maybe some people would say if you add the MLPs, a third of the exposure of oil of the regular market. That's right. And we took money out of EOG, which we like, but we know is going down, and put it in American Electric Power, AEP, which we think is going higher. That's because the 10-year Treasury is going down in yield. AEP is attractive. We want to build it. Now you'd say, well, wait a second. Why do I pay Action Alerts to be able to buy some utility? And the answer is that we've been very good versus the rest of the market. And AEP is the kind of stock that you buy in this environment. The utilities are not in bear market mode. Remember, I always end up mad money if there's always a bull market somewhere. The bull market is in utilities because the 10-year is going down. The Fed made a major mistake, obviously, when they raised rates. We all know that now. They're not going to eat crow because that's not their way. James Bullard with a fabulous presentation yesterday explaining why both consumer consumption is no longer in bull mode and also saying that oil decline has a substantively negative effect on inflation below where the Fed felt like they needed to be going into the December meeting. Bill Dudley said a lot of wrong things this morning that make it so we like the utilities even more. We are not going to put more cash to work until we are wanting to see if the market holds the levels that the S&P held during the August 24th flash crash, and I'm also looking at the Dow. If they don't hold the levels and the market goes well below that, we might do some picking.
Jim, what sets that utility apart from the others in the group?
I'm very close to AEP, and I'm probably the one who speaks the most to them of anyone in the media, and I'm quite confident that they have, by far at this point, a real bead on what the coal situation is in Washington. They've got economic areas that are actually doing better than the rest of the country, rock solid balance sheet, and no one has ever doubted their management being able to handle anything, including a difficult deregulation in Ohio that matters. AEP, we prefer Con Ed had been down a little bit more. We would have done Con Ed because they have no actual physical assets. That's a good one too.
Jim Cramer, thanks. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for TheStreet.